AGAVI Media is an advanced filtration technology designed to improve indoor air quality. The media not only captures dust but also helps prevent the spread of bacteria and microorganisms such as mold and harmful viruses. Through AGAVI's internationally innovative media, which destroys viruses, bacteria, and mold inside the air conditioning system, the unit can capture tiny particles and neutralize contaminants before they circulate throughout the room. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of the filters ensure that the air conditioning system continues to provide clean, fresh air, reducing health risks and creating a safer, more comfortable environment for everyone indoors. The AGAVI team includes Abigail Anavi, the inventor, together with physicians who developed this solution to address the problem of disease transmission in enclosed spaces. Today, Herogo proudly brings AGAVI Media to Vietnam and Southeast Asia as the exclusive distributor, delivering world-class Israeli innovation to protect millions of families, schools, hospitals, and businesses across the region.